how do we increase the rate of adoption? How do we de-risk technology? So the fundamental approach for rice is taking technologies that us as scientists and engineers believe in, and how do we de-risk it so governments, industry, managers, financial institutions, and even the general public will adopt it, use it, and accept it.
And that's what makes rice very strong. This idea of wanting to engage constructively with industry. We aim to effectively provide to them solutions to remove carbon dioxide from their emissions.
So the technology is modular, and we can deploy them to the industrial site. We can then plumb them in and start making a reduction in their carbon as a demonstration process for the overall concept.
That's why we're building in a shipping container, such that we can help one industry show one company what to do, and then move on to the next company and show them for their specific gas what they can do. Because you just need to give them an overview of this is where to start.
First of all, it's de-risking the scale-up, and that's the most important thing. And by de-risking, what I mean is we can do all the site and plant safety protocols and inspections for the equipment, but also having run and operated at the site, what we can get a feel for is the capital expenditure and the operational expenditure required to run these plants in a true industrial setting. And that's what industry really wants. They want to know, is this thing, if we install it into our plant, going to make us some money, or at the worst case, be cost neutral and offset a load of emissions.
There's a whole series of other benefits from the work that we do more generally, in that because no one's really done it before, or there might be elements of it done but no one's put it together in that way before, then there's opportunity to work with the supply chain to create new industries from that as well.
Many companies, and there are many, making materials for carbon capture are really waiting for the possibility to have access to a facility that it's installed in industry where to test their materials. Because testing materials and engineering process solutions in the real industrial environment provides you to boost very dramatically the work you do.
One of the units is going to be put at the Royal Mint, and the point was we didn't have to persuade them that it was either A, safe, or B, efficient, or C, working, or anything else, because all we did was took them to Valley. They know that this site has a high standard to adopt technology. Yeah. And there's the technology. The fact that it's at multiple sites and the fact we've got different companies involved, yeah, I think has been the biggest benefit.
And the overarching question is obviously, will it work at scale? And by operating at near commercial scales, as we are in the rice project, then we de-risk that whole commercialization exercise. And therefore we demonstrate to industry, here is a technology that's ripe for the picking, come and install it in your plant. And these will be the benefits that it brings.